Hello guys, I'm Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just tuning to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified each time there's an upload coming from moi. Well, today I'm actually going to be talking about activated charcoal. Yep, I don't know the fuss about it. People keep saying activated charcoal whitens your teeth in less than 5 minutes. We're going to put it to test. I'm not saying it's a lie and it's true. We're just going to put it to test. I'm with my toothbrush, activated charcoal, my toothbrush. So we're going to try it if it does work, or if it doesn't, I'll let you guys know. But first, I'm going to show you my teeth now. You can see. That's my teeth for now. So we're going to put it in the brush, damp it into it. Still going for 5 minutes. Well, 5 minutes gone and I'm showing you my teeth now. I don't see any difference. That's the funniest thing. Do you guys see any difference? Because I don't see any difference. Forgive the spaces in between my teeth. I've always had that since like forever. Yeah, probably due to chocolate, I guess. I don't know. And I'm also sorry for creating the video so late. I'm really sorry about that. I went out and I just got back, so I decided to make a video. I can't see any teeth whitening. I don't know why people keep saying when you use activated charcoal for 5 minutes it's gonna whiten your teeth. I've not seen any difference. And I remember going to a dentist, yes, and I did a laser teeth whitening. It didn't whiten my teeth the way he said it gets to whiten, but it gave me like 1 to 2 shades whiter, yes. But it didn't do everything completely. And the doctor was saying I have to keep coming back like every 2 to 3 months to keep doing it, and I have to stay away from palm oil. I'm a Nigerian. Is that possible to stay away from palm oil? Most of our soup, even the stew, is made with palm oil. Banga soup, eforiro. Really? You're gonna deny me good food? All because of my teeth whitening? Come on. So I just want to debunk the argument of people saying activated charcoal tends to whiten your teeth in 5 minutes. Honey, it's not possible. It's definitely not possible. Maybe over time. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but maybe over time. Maybe as you continue to use it over time, it will give you that teeth whitening, but not immediately. I have not seen any improvement. So why are people saying a different thing compared to you telling the truth? I used it now, I didn't see anything. I can't see any difference. The same way it was, the same way it is right now. Thanks for watching my video. And if you actually want to see more interesting videos, check out the thumbnails that will be displayed right now on my videos. So click on it. Want to glow your skin, want to have a whitening skin, want to take off your spots all over your body, check out most of the videos that will be displayed on my screen right now. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link that's got my face in it. And thanks for watching my video. And I also want to thank my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. I don't know how to thank you guys enough. Thanks for subscribing. And for my yet to be subscribers, I love you guys. Keep subscribing. See you guys later. Bye guys. Hello guys, I'm Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just tuning to my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified each time there's an upload coming from moi. Well, today I actually want to do an experiment on charcoal. Yeah, activated charcoal and my toothbrush. There's a fuss about activated charcoal whitening the teeth in just 5 minutes. So we'll have to put it to test if it does work or they're just giving us trips. So this is our activated charcoal. You can see it on my toothbrush. Just dump it into it. 5 minutes they say, so let's dig in. I didn't show them my teeth first.
But what should I start again?